Good evening, all members. Welcome again to a season of Bursa Thrive for first week of July, and this one is a recording season. Okay, because on Sunday I have something to manage and unable to live. Okay, so we start the our sharing today. Okay, so by sharing this one is a Monday actually, 4th of July. Is a holiday for US market. Okay, so we will go into it and see what is the Malaysia market, how it developed. Okay, so this one I need to adjust a little bit. Is on about 6th July. There will be about our OPR meeting, whereby is already now a lot of rumors that we will go for another 25% interest rate increase. Okay, so this one will if this one do happen, likely our stock will be readjust to another next level. Okay, so this one is a very how to say, when you have OPR rate increase, most of the time your stock will start to go down. Your stock market will go down. Okay, so but however, hopefully we have some kind of support in this level that is around that 1420. Okay, this is 1420 is our last stand. Hopefully this one won't be break. Okay, but however, what I see is plus the environment of US market. Okay, so I think that is now in Malaysia market we are in a crossroad. Okay, so when we put it into a hourly chart, okay, when you have an hourly chart, we have a start like a movement that is moving sideways, whereby we have tested this low level, but after that we have congested ourselves in a 1457 and 1434 congested level. Okay, so I think if this OPR one has been rolled out with a 0.25 increase, I think our Malaysia market will start to break to a next congestion level. However, to have a big drop, still I think is unlikely yet, because the timing is still not there yet. Okay, so because we need to we know that the US market is going to have CPI announcement around 8 or I think it's because 10 is in Saturday Sunday. I think they will be announced earlier or announced one day after that, on Monday, next Monday. So that's why this one is not really in this position, like the US market still not in the trade zone yet. Okay, so before we move on to US market, we finish this one Malaysia market first, because Malaysia market actually this is all our trade position, whereby when you are in here, you are actually in the position is a good position to long. Okay, but however, any long, you need to be seeing this past line. Okay, so this is the past line that is is your actually your cut loss. This line is your cut loss if you go for long position. This is your cut loss, because anything if we cannot be rebound strong, they will be going down fast. Okay, so if here just hit your cut loss, you need to be cut loss already, because if anything is break with a high volume or some bad news coming out, okay, all these things will be going down very fast. Okay, so this is an hourly chart, and now we can see that for tomorrow, for today night one, okay, our KLCI has been FKLCI has been open with a +3 point. It looks like a support is already formed at this level, SP, and you have a test again. Okay, so already formed a very good support level at here. That's why when you are dissecting a chart and the news that you heard in the market, sometimes is a contradict one. Okay, very bad, but how come the stock did not drop back to this level? Okay, but however, not saying that our stock has been in a recovery, but I think we are more in a congested way. Okay, in a congested way, it's quite easy to trade, whereby here will be the short position for short position, and this one will be our long position. But however, all trade is in here is not a call buy or call sell, just that only a chart reading sharing, whereby you can long and short and make sure you have your cut loss position plan. Okay, without this cut loss, then you will be lost big. Okay, so this is a little bit about Malaysia market. So far, still good. It has been formed a support at here. Hopefully that we have a bottom for now. Okay, but however, when this scenario, we go look into a US, especially Dow Jon. Okay, so we have looked like still at a very how to say, a crucial place, whereby is here actually is a support and now become a resistance here. Okay, so after this one, here is support, here is already become a resistance, and this resistance point not yet how to say break it yet. Okay, and this one is look like there's a high volume effort here. You can see the volume is going out, but no got effort but no result. Okay, so if no result here, there will be some danger whereby this thing might be a little bit go up, then straight away go down. Okay, so then we will know that in July CPI is coming in the next week time, and also Fed is already say that 75% of interest rate up is already on the table. Okay, so if this one has been launched into the market, I think our US market will continue the downward slope with like this. Okay, so there will be like this channel, and go out and go down some more, or like this. Okay, go down some more. Okay, so now at this point, we already from the high, okay, already dropped almost 22%, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, on the top, okay, early of the year until now, we already US market is already dropped negative 22%. In technically, they're already in the recession, and if you are based on 2008 crisis, okay, the bottom is dropped to 40%. Okay, so to drop to 40%, we are now in the halfway only. Okay, so we are in the halfway only. If anything happen, will be another rough drop coming. But my opinion is, I think US I afraid that I think US because it want to save dollar, they need to save dollar, US dollar. Okay, they will sacrifice the stock. They will let the stock go down until a very low level. Only that time QE will restart to rebound it. Okay, for US market now, because they already say that okay, the inflation is the highest and the biggest enemy now. Okay, inflation. Spell sorry. Okay, inflation is a interest rate to 0.75. Okay, from July, I think the stock will continue going down, because US is not concentrate to save the market. He will concentrate to save the inflation and save dollar. This is the most important things that they are on the table. So I think the stock market will be sacrificed, because where in any how to say, because in US is really enjoying a very good bull run. Okay, from here, then they already know all this bull run actually caused by QE. Okay, no matter how when they settle all the inflation, okay, all the problem, all this stock is going down. No matter how to, even though it's dropped back to here, they can always launch back QE to jack up the stock again. Okay, so this is the system I think that US will thinking on. This is only my opinion, just only a forecast. Okay, so on how the market is going to move. But for my opinion, the US market is now is in the I think there are more downside than uptrend, okay, upside, okay, because the inflation still not just settled yet, okay. So if the interest is continue moving up, so this one will be likely to going down, okay. So you need to be some position of short and start to put some position short into your portfolio. Make sure that this is really is in a good position, okay. So and beside this one, the US, now we are moving to a Seng Index. Seng Index is much more better. It's already what I say that in the earlier last week is US market still in the downtrend and Seng Index still in a pullback. Okay, pullback means that it is already in the how to say the rebound side. Okay, but however, we have a problem is the whole world, especially in the US, if US could be dragged down, has been dragged down, let's say like this, dragged down and dragged down. Okay, so I think Hang Seng Index also will not save. Okay, so because the growth, I think this one, I afraid that this will be going up and form a little bit, then it will also follow the downtrend. If US down like recession again, okay. So but however, I think Hang Seng Index is likely to, even though down, they will just only in this trade zone, okay. So but this one will be zigzag down, zigzag out, okay, until next year, I think. So that's why Hang Seng Index, I think you can use the strategy of wherever drop one, okay, you use call warrant for long position, okay. Don't focus too much in put position, because the put warrant position will be not bring you any too good profit, and it's also happen in a short term only, okay. Compare if for long up one, you will be much more longer time frame you can get. Okay, this is a little bit about Hang Seng Index, and everything still look good in Hang Seng Index in a pullback. Okay, but Dow Jon, sorry to say, is still on the way to going down. Okay, and I think likely to go down some more. And Malaysia as a summary, we are still congested in the down this range. We try to survive. Okay, so the best way is we are zigzag for a while here, and reaccumulation to go out again. Okay, so hopefully this one don't break. Okay, if this one been break, we will go down more further. Okay, because if you look at the weekly chart in Malaysia, we are after this point, we are another point will be go down back to a COVID time. Okay, so this is the and here actually is much of it is like hollow. Okay, so it's how to say, not many trade has been in this zone. Okay, so this is Malaysia. Then we actually, now the stock market, you need to wait for the OPR announcement or around 6 to 5th of July, or actually more on 6, I think 6 they will come out the result. Okay, so it's nearby already. If you don't uncertainty, then can focus, don't trade first, because the volatility is still high. Like now, we are still now back to this level. Okay, so when you are seeing a Malaysian market, something like this, you can always go back to here. Okay, so sometimes must be careful, because stock always go up and certainly jump like this one. Okay, so this is also the same thing that we are try, hopefully did not form in the US market. Okay, because most of the time the market will mark up before they go down, because they need to be in a short position first before the big drop come down. And why the drop has been stopped is because when drop to a certain level here, this one is move on. Okay, so when you have the drop to certain level here, the short position person become buy and supported the market, but actually they're just taking profit already, isn't closing the deal. Okay, so this is a little bit about Malaysia, and we'll go back to trade VSA dashboard to see what is the foreign investor doing. Okay, so foreign investor is doing like okay, so still run away from us. Okay, so because US now is I just afraid that they are using a technique that because they are strong. Okay, so US is a strong GDP at the beginning of the before the recession. Okay, before the two GPA is in positive, and I'm afraid US is purposely drop the GDP. That means purposely make their stock drop. Okay, so because by continue strengthen, because now the market is less of liquidity, and the US now is try to channel back all the money back into their country. Like look at another index you can pay attention is this micro 2-year yield futures. Okay, so this yield has been continuously moving up higher and higher and higher. Okay, so when you have a higher, it's something like your indication is about to blow. Okay, so it actually is not good to go too high. Then you need to be come down a little bit. Okay, so but for US stock like currently, let's say SP 500. Okay, this is a SP 500. We are all seeing that is because a foreign investor like US, they want all the money flow back to their country, then they will be using this drop and increase of interest rate increase. But before the US hit low, but I'm afraid that Malaysia also already die flat already, I can say. Okay, so because you can see the orders of foreign fund is continue leaving Malaysia. Without them, actually, you can see also the sector analysis here. Now you see it's no more longer a lot of green already. Now turning all to red color. Okay, by looking at the sector and the foreign investor position, then we will know that this one actually it will be in a jagger already. Okay, so because of we are hopefully it can hold sideways, but all these upthrust will bring some some weakness, but they might be drop down. Okay, so if this one drop down, I think we can go more far lower. Okay, so once it's break, then better be continue get ready for short position. Okay, so this is the Malaysia market, and you back to this trade VSA 360. Give us more data on all this. This is today Bursa this FMB KLCI. At the last minute, the FMB KLCI certainly have a drop. Okay, so this is what I want to check again is this one. Okay, they have certainly have a drop at the last minute. With today, I think the volume of trade is also quite high. Okay, so with this a certain drop actually is about to touching the lower line already. Okay, so be careful because our market now is in a junction of might be going to a major breakout at here. Okay, so when you draw a line, there will be something like this. Okay, so better be careful. If anything is happen like this, if you are not sure about market, don't go in first. Now is a time that you keep your money. Okay, so because when you are if your position got a lot or you're holding cash, okay, so you'll be no hurry to start to buy here. Okay, because the inflation is still high, a lot of things that we still don't see any solid solution for inflation. So this one you are not hurry to buy. Okay, you hit always you can wait for here. Okay, wait for here because keep your cash. Sometimes don't hate it too much in the market and wait only. Wait patiently only. Okay, so wait for the things to come. If really a big drop, still get opportunity, then it will give us a very good opportunity to go into a good stock when the stock market is crashing. Okay, so from here the scanner is not many that we can share because the market is actually in a dangerous. Okay, so but I will share a little bit is the Harta and TopGlove. Actually these two stock is quite very interested because Harta is like supporting in a way like the bottom is already reached compare the TopGlove. Okay, so this is This is Harta for today. Okay, so we can see here you have a high volume, high volume on this up bar. Okay, and you have a high volume, something like a SP. But however, one thing is not good is because with low volume here, the bar has been turned. Okay, so if your focus is something like this, okay, so you have a drop like this. Okay, so when you're touching here now is a critical moment. This one must rebound. If not, it still continue linger long, there might be a tendency to going down. Okay, it will be very unlikely if we drag more longer here. Okay, so even though when we are comparing the put another chart here for where is my FMB stock? Okay, so and you have TopGlove. Okay, this is a TopGlove. Okay, so TopGlove, when you are comparing the glove to glove, same business. Okay, here we have a double two-bar reversal already. Okay, two-bar reversal. This is two-bar reversal down. Okay, so two-bar reversal down, then will be come back to here. So I think likely this one will go down more further. So at the same time, the Harta will also, I think, very hard to survive on this, because in natural both is the same industrial, plus our market is not looking good also. Okay, so at here actually I have buy a little bit of Harta C19. Okay, but this one I already totally come out already. Okay, so because when he come to here, well, we will follow our plan by 1/3 has been taking the profit. So when the second day come up, this thing like a get down, then continue like not looking good, we will straight away exit all the balance 75%. Okay, even though the profits has been dropped compared when you are selling on one day here. Okay, but no, because it's trading. Okay, trading is a risk involved there. But after that, even though we sell, okay, so we still can make some profit on it. Okay, so in a structuring warrant, you need to have a very tight plan on how you cut loss. Okay, so because if you cut loss late, a lot of things might be become a haywire. Okay, so this is a little bit I share on Harta and TopGlove, and TopGlove definitely don't touch anything. Okay, so it's look like this is going to another big drop is coming. Okay, so in the chart wise, it's look like it's failed to rebound, but I don't know why it's like using a lot of who going to forming like a stopping volume, but come out the stopping volume fail again, because it's already in a much more earlier here also fail one time. Okay, and also here also fail one time. So it looks like the glove is like no direction, only go down only. Okay, so far still no any sign of a rebound. And also same like Harta, even though Harta have formed a very good stopping volume here, but sometimes this stopping volume can be fail. Okay, smart money also not always win one. Okay, so some of the thing the rebound, but retailer already too scared to go in, then no choice. Okay, so you need to be either maintain it or he push it up himself. Okay, so this is a little bit about Bursa. This is a glove company. Okay, and that's all for Bursa Thrive this week. It's a little bit shortened period, because now we are in a position that is not advisable to quickly jump into the a stock yet. Okay, so you better be careful and better wait for the cash, and be patiently we wait for the opportunity to swing to here. Okay, so we already past half year, and actually we already at the negative negative 8%. Okay, so now we have another second half to see how we're going to be. Okay, so just in case US suddenly have a black storm go down, then we will also go down also. Okay, so for this week, actually not much recommendation. So still continue be a sideline or keep your cash and see what the market is going up. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you like this channel, you can click on subscribe, okay, to my channel, and then you get all the update where I got a new videos is upload into the my the channel, then you can have a look on it. Okay, thank you, bye.